In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload project to Lovable. By the end, you'll know the two main ways to bring your work into the platform and what to write. So Lovable understands your project structure clearly. Start by opening the Lovable website in your browser. Once you're in, you'll notice the interface gives you more than one path to upload. That's by design, and it's helpful because you can either attach a project file directly or describe your existing project so Lovable can recreate its structure. Let's begin with the approach that uses the prompt box on the main screen. You'll see a text field where you can talk to Lovable about what you want to build or import. Next to that field, there's an attach icon often shown as a paperclip. Click that icon to add your project file. If your work lives in a collection of folders, it's usually best to package it as a single archive so it uploads cleanly. Pick the file from your computer, confirm the selection, and give Lovable a moment to process it. While it analyzes your upload, you can add a brief note in the prompt box explaining what the project contains. Keep the description focused on what matters most, like the key pages, components, and any special flows. Avoid including secrets or private configuration details. Those should never be pasted into prompts or files. There's also a second option known as the manual prompt method. This is perfect if you don't have a file handy or you just want Lovable to set up the structure for you. In the same prompt box, clearly describe your existing project. Spell out the sections or pages you already have so Lovable can mirror them. For example, you might write something like, I already have a web project with a home page, a login page, a dashboard, and a contact form. Please recreate the structure in this project. That kind of straight to the point description gives Lovable exactly what it needs to scaffold your workspace. Both methods aim for the same goal, a faithful starting point inside Lovable that reflects your current work. If you have a codebase or assets, attach the file. If you're outlining a structure, use a clear prompt. In either case, be specific about page names and core features, and keep sensitive information out of your message. That's it. Open Lovable. Choose the path that fits your situation, attach your file or describe your project, and let the platform do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching, and happy building.